Hi, this is Glenn with Family Handyman. You ever think about getting your ducts cleaned in your house? I've been in this house 4 years, we've never done it. I don't even know if it's ever been done in this house or with this furnace. But I've hired a professional because this is not something that you do yourself unless you've got a huge vacuum and all the right tools. So let's see how it's done.
Yeah, I do believe you should get your air ducts cleaned. It is a large factor in your overall home health and indoor air quality. So I recommend that it gets done when you move into a new home, you have large renovations, or people are experiencing overall kind of in-home air quality issues and have like asthma and things like that that can be contributing factors to getting it done more often. I believe that what is my kind of proprietary setup has a large capabilities of doing jobs both small and large, and the process involves a large vacuum that is pulling the dirt out of the system and an industrial air compressor that's pushing it. So we use what I would say is a push-pull method to get that stuff out of your home. The biggest factor to keeping your indoor air quality clean and fresh in your home really is changing out your furnace filter on a regular basis per manufacturer recommendations.
So now I have clean ductwork. It only took a couple hours, and I shouldn't have to do it again for about 5 years, as long as I keep up with my own maintenance and replace that filter. For more great home maintenance tips and projects, visit FamilyHandyman.com.